A big upgrade is here. The Pi network is entering a new era, and this moment marks a significant milestone in its journey. Whether you're a long-time pioneer or just getting started, there's something exciting for everyone. The Pi Mainnet, the heart of the Pi ecosystem, is getting a major tune-up. Think of it as supercharging the engine that powers everything. This upgrade is designed to make the network more efficient, reliable, and ready to handle the growing demands of a global community. This isn't just a minor fix. It's a leap forward for developers and pioneers alike. It opens up new possibilities for app creators and gives users a smoother, more secure experience. The Pi network is evolving to support more innovation and creativity than ever before. We're moving from version 19 to a brand new version 23.0, packed with improvements for security, speed, and future features. This upgrade lays the groundwork for even more powerful tools and applications in the months ahead. Like updating your phone's operating system, this upgrade makes Pi more robust and ready for what's next. It's about future-proofing the network, so it can adapt and grow as new technologies and opportunities emerge. Node operators, you're at the forefront, guardians of the network, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Your role is more important than ever, as you help maintain the stability and security of the entire ecosystem. This upgrade is a carefully planned process, reflecting the dedication of the Pi Core team to a secure, lasting digital currency. Every step is designed to protect users and build trust in the system. We'll break down what's changing, why the steps matter, and how you can help make it a success. Whether you're running a node, building apps, or simply using Pi, your participation is key to this evolution. Understanding this isn't just for techies, it's for everyone who believes in Pi's future. The more you know, the more you can contribute to the network's growth and success. By learning about these upgrades, you become a more empowered member of the community. Sharing your knowledge helps others, and together we can build a stronger, more resilient network. Let's dive in and explore the science behind Pi's evolution. Get ready to discover what makes this upgrade so important and how it will shape the future of the Pi network for everyone involved. Upgrading the Pi Mainnet is like climbing a ladder. Each step matters, and every rung you climb brings you closer to a stronger, more secure network. Just as you wouldn't skip a rung on a ladder, you can't skip a version in this upgrade process. Node operators must follow a strict upgrade path, starting at version 19. The foundation for all future improvements. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement to ensure compatibility and stability across the entire network. From there you move to 19.1, then 19.6, and 19.9. Each of these incremental updates contains critical patches and features that prepare the system for the next leap. Each step builds on the last, ensuring stability and network health. Skipping even one can cause compatibility issues, disrupt node communication, or even halt your upgrade entirely. After the 19 series, the next leap is to version 20.2, then 21.1, and 22.1. These versions introduce new features, security enhancements, and performance improvements that are essential for the network's evolution. Each version acts as a checkpoint, keeping all nodes in sync and ensuring that everyone is on the same page before moving forward. This synchronization is vital for the health and security of the entire ecosystem. Skipping a step is like missing a key ingredient in a recipe. It just won't work. The system may fail to recognize your node, or you could encounter errors that are difficult to troubleshoot. The final destination, version 23.0, is the fully upgraded, feature-rich protocol. It's the culmination of all previous updates, offering the latest capabilities and the highest level of security. Every node must follow this exact sequence. No shortcuts, no skipping ahead. This careful process ensures that the network remains robust and that all participants benefit from the latest improvements. This methodical process is the scientific method in action, ensuring a reliable outcome. The upgrade path: 19, 19.1, 19.6, 19.9, 20.2, 21.1, 22.1, and finally 23.0. Each upgrade is a milestone, marking progress and unlocking new possibilities for the network. Teamwork and precision are essential for a successful upgrade. Collaboration ensures that every node operator is informed, prepared, and able to contribute to the network's success. Let's see why these steps matter so much and how following them protects the integrity and future of the Pi mainnet. Why not just leap straight from version 19 to 23.0? It seems like it would save time and effort, right? But in reality, skipping steps in a complex system can create far more problems than it solves. Because in a global network, stability isn't just important, it's absolutely everything. One small misstep can ripple out and affect thousands, even millions of users. The Pi network is made up of thousands of computers, or nodes, scattered all over the world. Each one needs to agree on the rules and changes, or the system simply won't work. Changing too much at once risks confusion, errors, or even a dangerous network split, where different parts of the network can't talk to each other anymore. Each upgrade step is like adding a block to a tower, careful, steady, and secure. Rushing could topple the whole structure, but patience builds something strong. Incremental updates let the network stabilize after each change. Developers can monitor for issues, fix bugs, and make sure everything is running smoothly before moving on. This phased rollout approach is standard in large-scale software projects. It keeps everything safe, manageable, and predictable, even as the system evolves. Each version, 19.1, 19.6, and so on, acts as a checkpoint. These milestones help everyone track progress and catch issues early. The network only moves forward when most nodes are ready, maintaining consensus and ensuring that no one is left behind in the process. This careful process minimizes risk and protects the Pi blockchain's integrity, making sure that every upgrade is safe and secure. It's a deliberate, scientific approach. Security and stability always come first, no matter how tempting it is to move faster. Like a team of climbers roped together, everyone moves forward as one. This way, the network ensures that no one is left behind and every upgrade is a shared success. That's how Pi builds a network that lasts. One careful, coordinated step at a time, always putting reliability first. Timing is crucial. The Pi core team has set clear upgrade deadlines for all node operators. As of February 7th, 2026, the upgrade is underway. By February 12th, all nodes should have completed the first phase. Versions 19.1, 19.6, and 19.9. This foundation is vital for the next steps. The next deadline is February 27th, when nodes must reach versions 20.2, 21.1, and 22.1. These updates bring bigger protocol changes and keep the network in sync. The final milestone, March 12th, when the network officially switches to version 23.0. Any node not upgraded by then will be left behind and unable to participate. Remember these dates: February 12th, February 27th, and March 12th. Staying on schedule keeps the network strong and united. What's a protocol upgrade? Think of it as updating the rulebook everyone uses to communicate. In Pi, the protocol defines how transactions are made, verified, and how nodes agree. A protocol upgrade is a planned switch to a new, improved set of rules for the whole network. Why upgrade? To make transactions faster, boost security, and add new features. It's like updating your phone apps. Better performance, new capabilities, and stronger protection. Each upgrade lets Pi adopt the latest innovations in digital security and efficiency. The step-by-step process ensures everyone gets the new rules in the right order. On March 12th, all nodes will be speaking the same improved language. That's how Pi stays unified and ready for the future. If you're a Pi pioneer using the app, you might wonder, what's in it for me? The answer: a stronger, faster, and more secure network benefits everyone. For most pioneers, the upgrade is invisible. You keep using the app as usual, and your Pi remains safe. But soon, you'll notice faster transactions and enhanced security. These upgrades also pave the way for new features and apps in the Pi ecosystem. Developers will be able to build more exciting utilities, expanding how you can use your Pi. Even if you're not running a node, this upgrade is for you. It's about the network's long-term health and growth. Think of node operators as the road crew. You enjoy the smoother ride. Stay active and informed to make the most of Pi's evolution. In Pi, there's no central boss. Every node operator is vital. This upgrade is a team effort, relying on thousands of volunteers worldwide. Each node that upgrades on time is a vote for progress and network health. If a node doesn't upgrade, it's left behind and can't help secure the network. The upgrade deadlines create crucial synchronization points, keeping everyone on the same page. A synchronized network is a secure network. By following the timeline, node operators show commitment to the community's success. This is decentralized power in action. Everyone's effort counts. Node operators, your role is critical. Follow the upgrade path and help Pi thrive. Your diligence ensures a smooth, secure transition for millions of pioneers. This is where Pi's decentralized spirit truly shines. The upgrade to version 23.0 isn't the end. It's a launchpad for Pi's next chapter. With a stronger foundation, the core team and developers can build more advanced apps and services. Expect more complex smart contracts, new marketplaces, and real-world uses for Pi. Performance and scalability will improve, preparing the network for massive growth. These upgrades ensure Pi can handle more users and transactions without slowing down. Successfully coordinating this upgrade proves Pi's ability to evolve and govern itself. It's a milestone for decentralization and maturity. The journey continues. More building, more innovation, and a truly accessible digital currency. The future of Pi is just beginning. As we wrap up, remember, this upgrade is a carefully planned, team-driven leap forward. The protocol upgrade makes Pi faster, safer, and more capable, thanks to every node operator's cooperation. Whether you run a node or just use the app, staying informed is your superpower. Follow official Pi announcements and instructions to stay on track. Node operators, stick to the upgrade path and meet the deadlines for a smooth transition. Every pioneer's support helps the ecosystem grow stronger. This upgrade is a win for the whole community. Science and technology never stand still. Neither does Pi. Let's keep learning, building, and moving forward together. The future of Pi is bright. Thanks for being part of